And we're back. And we back. And we back. And we back. Hey.
On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna.
What's up, YouTube gang? Welcome back to the Yeah, y'all like the new name change because welcome back to the Taylor Sarita show. You already know it's Taylor Sarita, and if you don't know, it's Taylor Sarita. Anyway, yes, I changed my YouTube name. It's gonna be Taylor Sarita instead of LIL.txy. Why am I filming without the light on? What? Awkward. There we go. Welcome. It's cold. Hold on. All right, guys, and we're back. And we back. And we back. And we back. Hey. So welcome back to the Taylor Sarita show. And my life is a show, so this is why it's called The Show. And today, I have a package here. The most I've opened is this. Here it is. Today, I will be doing a wig unboxing slash review for SuperNova. SuperNova wigs. You can find them on Amazon. They also have their site. I'm gonna link that in the description box below. So I have my package. This is my third wig that I ordered. Let me show you the other two. So my other two wigs are in here. This is the bag, first of all. SuperNova, and it says super affordable, 100% human hair, which it is. Like, it's some really good hair. So the first wig my very first wig that I ordered was this 99J wig. All right, so here's the very first wig that I ordered. It's an 18-inch body wave 99J, so like a burgundy color wig. The lace is cut off because I installed it, but this is how it looked. It has 3 combs. Here's the third one. 1, 2. My hands are ashy as hell. It has 3 combs in it. It's nice. It's super soft. Like, I'm running my hands through it and nothing is coming out. And like, look at the bounce. Come on, can we talk about it? I did a part on it, but it also came with 2 wig caps. This one came with 2 wig caps, eyelashes, and an edge brush. But this was the very first wig that I ordered. Like I said, it's 18-inch, but it looks longer than that. Like, it's true to size, and that's a problem that I usually have when ordering wigs. They're not true to size, but this one is true to size. It came pre-plucked. I plucked it a little bit more, and it came with edges as well. But I kind of did my own edges with it when I was installing the wig. But this is how the first one looks. Oh, and they have adjustable straps in the back, which is really nice for wigs. And then for the second wig, I got this headband wig. This is my all-time favorite wig. Like, this is it straight out of the package. It has no water on it or anything. And I'm going to show you guys on camera how it looks. You add water to it. This is it, straight out the package. Well, not anymore. This is with water on it. So just imagine when you put like product, and then this is how much it shaved when I combed it out. Like, that's nothing compared to some wigs and bundles that I've had in the past. Like, that's literally nothing that came out. And this is how it looks. I think this one is, let me double check. Okay, this one was 18-inch. It's an 18-inch headband wig. Here's what the headband looks like. And then this also has combs in it. This one has 3 in the top and 2 on the bottom. Oh, and here's how it looks in the back. Where you just, clearly I can't put it on, but you literally Velcro it and it stays on your head. Like, this is a really good wig. So this is definitely my favorite wig, just because, like, if you're doing something fast, you just do your edges, snap the wig on, and you can go. And I paid $63.80 for this wig. For this wig, this is 18-inch, and I paid $145.56. This is a 4x4 lace closure wig, and then that one is just a headband wig. For the headband wig, it did come with extra headbands. Here is one of them. And then here's the other headband. And then it also came with eyelashes. I'm just seeing this, but it came with another headband too, which I did not notice the first time. This one is just like, you just put it on top. It's a headband wig. Them things last like 2 to 3 years. Like, my niece has one and it's lasts a long time. So I highly recommend those 2 wigs. I will link them down in my description box below. And also they came with, like I said, wig caps for both of the wigs. And then the first one came with an edge brush, which was really convenient. So now I'll be unboxing my third wig that I've ordered from this company. I'm gonna do it on camera because why not? And once again, it comes with these satin bags that you can keep your wigs in. It holds the moisture for the wig. First, we're gonna look into the bag. It came with an elastic band. They gave me another edge brush and a 2-piece wig cap, and then another set of eyelashes. These are really cute. So that's that, and this is the bag. Why did my thing just cut off? You thought you ate. Here's what the wig is looking like. I got a body wave 4x4 lace closure wig in 18 inches. Whoa, cause look at the bounciness. And it's not even out. And they also put the placeholder in to keep it like, you know, in place while it's being shipped, so it won't bend or anything. Wow, look at this wig. First of all, this looks way longer than 18 inches. Can we talk about that? Like, look at this. This on me, when I put it just to my head, it stops like right near my boob, but when I stretch it down, it goes down my back. So just imagine this wig straighten. Because I personally like longer wigs, but I've been trying to get into, you know, the shorter wigs just to see how they look on me. And then here's how the lace looks. It's a 4x4 again. Wow, they really did the thing with this wig. That's crazy. Then it has 3 combs in total, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. And then once again, it has an adjustable strap that you can make the wig tighter if you have a smaller head. But look at this. Like, I'm just so in awe. Look at the bounce. This is definitely 100% human hair. Let me tell you, I cannot wait to put this wig on. Wait till these braids come out. Look at me. Period. I'm that girl. This is it. Like, this is it. I got all these wigs from SuperNova. You can find them on their website, link below. Or you can find them on Amazon. Amazon has next day shipping. I ordered one on Wednesday and I got it Friday, and I ordered the second one on Thursday and then I got it Saturday. So it was like next day shipping, and at max 2-day shipping on Amazon. That's the good thing. You can get them right away. So if you need a wig right away, literally go on Amazon and you're gonna get your wig right away. These wigs are the best wigs ever. I'm gonna hold them up and do a shake for y'all. These are by far literally the best wigs I've ever ordered in my life. And it's clearly true to size because these are both 18 inch and they stop at the same point. So you guys really have to shop SuperNova wigs. Really good quality, really good lace. And it looks like the lace is like already kind of tinted too, which is really nice. And the knots are not thick at all. They don't even need bleaching, but I'm gonna bleach them just for sure. But guys, be sure to tune in to SuperNova wigs. Like I said, these are honest reviews. This is raw. This one was raw out of the box review, and I really love this wig. They're by far a really good company. Fast shipping, fast communication. They were responding to me literally the next day. Like, who do you know? Body wave 18 inch, $116. Like, come on. And look at the length of this. If you straighten this, I'm sure it'll be all the way down your back. So like I said, shop with SuperNova wigs. Let me create a thumbnail really quick. Shop with SuperNova wigs. They're the best wig company that I've worked with thus far. They're a good wig company. I'm telling you guys. Like, look at this volume in this wig. Come on now. I think they're all 150 density as well. So everything will be linked down below. All the wigs that I bought, I'm gonna link them to Amazon. Thank you guys for watching the Taylor Sarita show. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that bell button on for more videos. And I will be getting into wig videos clearly because guess who bought some wigs? Just wait till these come out. I'm gonna be doing some install videos, and you guys already know. Stay tuned to the next video. And I hope you enjoyed the Taylor Sarita show. Stay tuned for the next episode. That was hot. That was real hot. Bye, guys.
Watch out, I'ma start legs off. They know the real game, but they know they real ring. Got to get taking pictures of the whole thing. Look at what trying to do things.